Who do you trust with the dignified truth, with American promise and the premise of justice for all? How does America work without equal access to the franchise under law, and who do you trust with that work? In defense of the truth, in admission that the kernel seed of the American franchise only really considered a tiny demographic few, but the imagination inscribed in those original words are a forceps that forces American promise to include me and you. It is a dignified truth. The law is monument and malleable, inalienable and a shapeshifter, the tie that binds equally whether we're strangers or blood sisters. Who do you trust to organize hope? Whose 80+ years deep, rolled sleeves, cognitive empathy seeks the truth reflexively? We have dared to be free. Let us be thus by ourselves and for ourselves. The truth is powerful and will prevail. The truth is that empathy can be scaled, but to get there, we all gonna have to agree on some basic truths. A base of facts. Like every student has the right to an equitable and inclusive education that tells the truth about our nation's past. The truth is the stewardship of law is passed. From Marshall to Motley to Brown Jackson, defense of the active pursuit of justice as enacted through judges add the juxtaposition of American promise and American law. The Constitution itself is a critical theory. It distills a form of government the world had never seen before. Who defends that truth? Who amplifies the implicit American promise of a government not yet seen? Who educates the public about the vigilance it needs? Because democracy is not an inevitability. We gotta work for it. Come by democracy honestly, make it, protect it, pass it on. Some of us have worked harder for less, but no one works harder than LDF, and that's the truth. Yeah? Civil rights advocacy, political participation, economic justice, fighting systemically anti-black legislation, fighting for fair housing regulations, no water shutoffs in Detroit, equal employment in Carolina, race-conscious college admissions in Texas, political power in Alabama, allied with marriage equality for couples of the same sex, and LDF been out here doing the work of undergirding the theory of America with a lived, interconnected, legislated, and litigated set of truths. It's the truth. Embody democracy through the crossroads of the courtroom. Stand up for a legacy of legal eloquence. Elegantly 82 years old. And still look better than the mold. Still got it. True spit. The truth is under attack. Who you trust to defend it? Who you know seem to do it with a consistent cultivation of chosen joy. Kennedy chose the moon. We choose democracy. The law gives us the physics to get there. Legal Defense Fund has been there. We choose an equitable future of the highest tribute. We stand in defense of a racially just America. The promise itself is in the balance. Out from the gloomy past till now we stand at last. Shadowed beneath thy hand, may we forever stand. We stand in defense of the truth. Truth is